Hello internet people, and welcome back to my channel. We've been asleep here for a bit, but in the real world there's been a whole bunch of stuff that's been going on in the workshop.
But let's jump back into the past and kickstart where I left off. And that's with this thing called the ATC250 or the Big Red. While I finished the project back in 2021 and got it going, it's just got some new cosmetics with a personalized graphics kit from the lovely people at Cant Design and Auto Custom Wraps. But more on that later.
It's fucking insane.
Let's jump into where we stopped. A running engine in a battered chassis and lots of cleanup, reinforcements and rebuilding to be done. Once I got the engine going, which was a surprise because it's a Honda, the rest of everything turned to shit. We flipped the frame over and used a wire brush to clean out the rust, but ended up brushing out whole parts of the frame to dust. Well, thankfully for me, I have the help of an ace fabricator who rigged up some pipe for the cross members and angled iron along the sides to reinforce the cradle of the chassis. The years of caramel and sea salt crud had to be cleaned off, and there's no better way than a visit to our friendly neighborhood bead blasting bro. They have what's called blasting meter, which are beads of different sizes that help you achieve whatever you desire. The master fabricator was busy being a genius again, coming up with a solution to restore the rear luggage rack, as all of its mounting points had just corroded off. We basically used a 1x1 box pipe, cut some pieces off to size, and then cut off one side. Drilled holes in them. We welded a mounting nut in place concentric to the holes, and then tacked them onto the frame. It's way quicker, cheaper, and oddly more satisfying than spending $300 on the internet buying a 30-year-old rack off of a redneck from Alabama. Next stop, paint shop. The ongoing monsoons here and it's the absolute wrong time to get anything painted. Now that it's back, I'm pretty impressed with the results. So we've got the frame up on the ramp and you can see here, this is where there was a lot of rusting on the frame. The down tube here which was sat on the floor, which we welded a piece, and then again over here. But then a lot of it was through the back here where we had to get this part welded. We put a tube in and it looks pretty neat. Here too. All in all, pretty good paint job. Let's start putting it back together and see where it goes.